everybody, so today we're looking at the sound ch, a C and a H, k and h makes ch together, ch. Say it for me, ch. And we put our hands beside us and we make the action of us being a train, so we're chugging up the hill. So it's ch, ch, when we see C and H together. What words can we think of that might have ch in them? So let's have a think. Ch, 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 cheese, ch, e, s, cheese, ch, e, s, cheese. And then we can draw some cheese. So here's Miss O'Connor's cheese, trying to draw it with a camera in her hand. So this is our cheese. What else begins with ch? Ch, 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 ch. Chips. Ch, I, p, s. Ch, I, p, s. Chips. Well done. So you might get a bag of chips. There we are. There's our chips. Brilliant. What else begins with ch, ch, ch? Ch, ch, cheese. Ch, ch, chips. Ch, ch, church. Ch, sh. Now, what did we notice about the word church? Ch, ch. Look, it has ch at the beginning and ch at the end. Well done. Ch, ch, church. Well done. So let's draw our church here. And like this, really quick. There's our church and a big door. There we go. A church. So now we've got cheese, chips, and church. What else begins with ch, 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 ch? Cherries. Cherry. 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 So you might have a bunch of cherries. There we go. Cherries. And they'll be all red. Miss O'Connor doesn't have a red here. So let's have a read of our words that we found here. Cheese, chips, church, and cherry. Can you read these words at home? And then can you make me a ch with some Play-Doh? Brilliant. I'd love to see. Well done, everybody. That's our start of the week with the ch sound. Great work.